So this is a quick explanation of how the sprinkler system works. Right in the middle is your control box. That's on the side of your house. It's the hunter box. And then you have your 5 valves, right? This is zone 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4 is the backyard. This is the front side yard. So every valve will have one red wire coming directly from the control box, right? Then there's what's called a common wire. It's white, but in here I have it orange because I can't have white on white. So if these wires break off, then it may impact only this valve or all of them depending on which wire breaks off. In this case, if this red one breaks, then only this one will break. But if this white one breaks, then because it's all linked together, then all of these will break. So that's how you'll know when you go take a look and you try to turn on your sprinklers, depending on which ones don't run, you know which wires are broken. Either way, you're gonna go fix them all, but that's basically the wiring diagram of how the whole thing works. So sometimes you're gonna have your solenoid. This will only be connected to that, so that'll be a 2-wire bundle. But then this solenoid will have a 3-wire bundle because this, and this will be 3 wires. So that's why sometimes you'll see 2, sometimes you'll see 3. If it's a 3, that's because it's the common wire one. So this is a brand new solenoid. I'm gonna put a contact here, and then I'm gonna put this here. You can see it pulls in and it'll let the water go by. So this one's brand new, it works. But if you take a look at your old one, we'll put this here, and there's nothing. So this one's bad. So we'll go ahead and replace it. So you can see the solenoid is already screwed into the valve right there. It has 2 wires coming out, one here, one here. Doesn't matter which one goes where, but basically one of them has to go to that red wire that comes from the controller box. So all you'll do is just make sure they're both clean, and then you just wrap it around like this. Make sure they have good contact. Then you'll grab one of these. These have grease inside them, so the grease will keep water out. Doesn't work that great, but it works good enough. So we're gonna smash it in there. Okay, that bundle is done. Now this one is terrible. You can see the wires all corroded. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it off and re-strip them so we can get some new wire in there. So if you don't have one, go get yourself a wire stripper. They're like $5, $6. And there you go. Insulation comes off. You have brand new wire. Makes good contact. We'll do this one. So like I said, this white wire is the common wire. It connects to, there's only one wire coming from the control box, and then it goes around to the other, all the other valves. So we'll go ahead and grab all 3 and then twist them all together. Make sure they have really good contact. There you go. And then we'll take one of these wire nuts, stick it in. All right, so that's good. However, we want to make sure that the wires don't get dirty again. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab these little plastic bags. Okay, and then we're going to get some Vaseline. Like that. I'm going to go ahead and put the Vaseline all around. Like that. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and stick this in like that. Roll it around really tight. Okay, and then we're going to grab this and wrap it around. And there you go. So the Vaseline will act as a water barrier so that water won't get inside. And then you shouldn't get any moisture in this one anymore. So it should be, for the most part, waterproof. So this one's good, and we'll go ahead and do this one. And this one should work from now on. We'll go on to the next one later.